Hi guys, Mimish. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's check the markets. They are galloping. Is it the word galloping? I think it is, right? I don't know what to make out of it. Like on minutes, everything is great. On hours. Yeah, everything looks great. As you see, I'm trying to get used to a split window. It's not the biggest volume, and it's reflected in on superior time frame. This doesn't look like a you know like any kind of wave. It's close to 0.5. And spring test and didn't go. Here though, locally, maybe it's because how do you merge panels? I wanna u unify, um, unify, yeah, remove this separation in between volume and price. And I don't know how to do it because that's what makes. Mm, okay, I'll deal with it later. I want to unite volume and price so that it doesn't lose the volume drawings when I'm switching between the windows. The point here was maybe something 3.5 minutes. Yeah, right there. Your love, I need you to. When everything wrong, you make it right. The biggest volume. I think it's good for, and the T1 wasn't on volume too, right? This volume, yeah, it's like second biggest volume. You see what's weird when I don't have layout, not layout, of what sync. I don't have sync option for any charging on the lower volume window on the volume. So yeah, this was an entry. It's right there. It's right there, but now I changed direction already. You know what I mean? Now it's going down. Now it's already going down. This all is good. Yeah, I need to. Okay, let's Google it. Merge volume and price chart trading view. You can use the move tab. You can use the move to tab. Indicator context menu. And what's indicator context menu? Oops. Mm. I don't know if you guys know how to fix it. Oops. Oh wait, it just did the trick, didn't it? Okay. Mm-hmm. Can I survive this? No, this is a mess. I don't like it. That's it. Oops. Okay, let's keep it as it is. But yeah, here we have our. I'd rather deal with disappearing labels. Yeah, it's going down. There's no point to enter the straight right now. Well, let's keep it open. Yeah, it just grinds higher. I was so wrong here. This is interesting though. I need your love. I need you when everything wrong. But if everything I learned during the past 2 months is that volume alone does not mean anything, there has to be more to that. That's why we do volume spread analysis, not like a volume analysis. That's interesting. And this doesn't look good. It's not the biggest volume of the entire correction. And also it's like volume 2 on volume top thrust. Perfect reversal. Just give me a second. Probably spam. That needs to stop falling. That's a reversal. Weird volumes. 0.5. And that's it. That's a supporting bar, non-volume spring, and that's it. Hell, how powerful. How powerful. You see volume doesn't mean anything. Doesn't mean anything. All this volume and nothing. All this volume, like huge volume. And nothing. Especially on earnings, so it's not the biggest volume, but it's big volume. Nothing happens. Just goes. It doesn't need a close manipulation signal since we are um, at the expanding creek level of long balance. Short more and counter trend. Why? It's because I think it have to stop somewhere. Yeah, this is all good. I think. That was a silly idea to match this level like this. It was a silly idea. Of course, should have been like this. After That's what's going on here. Really. Really. Volume T1, volume spring, change direction. Now the level by Yaura. It's a little bit far from 5 yet. Mm-hmm. That broke down. It's good in continuation of the trend now. That's being a resisting level. That's what we have right now. Mm, 0.5 doesn't make much sense. So the wave compressed. This is a break. And so this is so that need levels now. This is so high. Unvolumed, then volumed spring. So yeah, it looks like it wants to break. Good level on yearly, monthly though. Is this volume? It's all good. Just something is wrong here. And when it comes here, it doesn't make any sense. It goes all the way to the top then. Technically, yeah, it's there, just there's no volume. There's no volume whatsoever. Hmm. All this is break. 1 minute and there's nothing good happening on our anything exciting that would make us make me wanna make an exclusion. No, so bullish. Let's observe. Let's observe. Shell is going down as it should. Probably also a good level to make an exclusion. You know what I mean? Like right here. Volume top thrust, no test, just go. Yeah, that was a trade here probably. This is beautiful. Made an automatic rally, no, it just goes down. There's all this volume. Needs to stop. Change direction and all of that, but that volume on our left will only be neglectable on our once the day will, this volume will be neglectable once this spring will close. Um, yeah, and this spring is not good, I think. It's in the beginning of the wave though, but it's bigger than any volume, you know, starting from here. So I think that disqualifies the spring from doing anything on it. We don't need a close manipulation signal on monthly, daily. No, more like this volume zone. It bounced out of it. But yeah, we need a close manipulation signal on daily anyway. This is weird. And looks like it's gonna break. a lot. Everything right. You make it right. I feel so right. Dun, dun, dun. It's a break now. Break. Even bigger volume. Look at this booty. Just look at it. It's gonna break, I think. Bounced. Progressive. Goes down. That's also test level to this resisting bar of the downtrend. And now, like, we are guessing what is it? Oof! Look at all this beauty. When everything wrong, we make it right. Dun, 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 dun. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, volume distribution is not short on minutes. Hmm. I mean, would you want to take it like so high? Because I wouldn't. Yeah, out of my laziness, I want to make um unify the color for hour at some point. There's like too many moves I have to do. No, so that was technically a continuation of the trend. Look at this. It's called market is too tight. Like way too tight. That's the trade I didn't take. For better or worse. Because yeah, um it broke the level on test. So and on hourly, it's like too far from 0.5. Seen globally and show it on this. Okay, no, I haven't. So this level is what we're looking for. You can keep it open. Booms. So it expands the T2 level. then we didn't have the level. And that would have been a stop. You just want to break even. That's our biggest volume now. And that is not that biggest volume. Boom. Um, so I don't think I should take it after test. No, I mean only through transition extremum. After it did what it did, I think that's, and the volume distribution and all of that. Huh, it's there. I don't like the daily, that's the problem. Monthly is still right for 3 days. Yeah, it needs to change direction, at least with this volume. Um, You make it right. You're feeling it. Yeah, it's good from last approach, but all in all, the heck is this? The heck, the heck is this? Uh, it's right there. Also, like, look at this break. It's just inside candle and just a mess. Boom. I don't know. What do you guys think? Like this for 5 minutes? I don't think so. Yeah, it's already in correction on hourly, so that will be freer to chart it. My goodness. Oh, my battery is dying. I need to get up. Um, just give me a sec. Okay, here I am. Um, yeah, that was cool, but like too big, so won't be able to take it anyways. Same here. And when it's like that tight, it's just like really, we're trying to get out of it in all the reality. In all the reality. I need your love. I need you. So again, correction. So we could have mm, charted it like this. I think it should be like something super sweet and short, if anything. And yeah, no. Um, Same deal. If anyone knows how to do my charging sync globally by default, so that I don't need to change it here every time, let me know. Let me know. Oh, you guys, I just saw song Blue. What a movie. What a beautiful, beautiful movie. Maybe also it's last hour of the day, but in this specific context, maybe it's not a horrible idea to have it. Dun, 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 dun. When everything wrong. Or maybe even this is more representative of what has happened here. And then again, we went to 0.5 and its correction, so we should chart minutes independently, disconnect the previous charting of minutes long, and start charting it short. You see how like when I start something new, it's always sync and layout, but I need to sync it globally. Counter trend, I would need a test. And then what is the test right here? Oh, look. This is actually pretty good. If everything we saw, just scary. I don't know how people do trade like this. So high. It feels so high. But this was high as well, you know? Continuation of trend is always high. And that looks like it wants a break. Yeah, and this looks like it's gonna work. Mm. It's always so scary. The point 0.5. Volume distribution is good. Hmm. You see, it wants to go midpoint 5. As it should. And it's a break, so it needs levels. More X is right there. Um, let's not rush with our dailies. Let's see our gainers and losers. But prior to that, I promise you that. Promise you that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You see, it will do it like 5-minute magic. Probably. Hmm. What's going on here? Mm-hmm. That's why I don't have a chart yet. Maybe I should do it this way. Wow. Beautiful. Well, this is told you reached 0.5 potential, but it's still a level. Mm, still a level. Hour is like merciless. Okay, it closed the. Yeah, that's what we have now. That's what we have now. Technically, it's good for short. see. And I decided to let it go for whatever reason. Um, yeah, I think it should break this level. I think so. It's another monthly watch. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see our gainers. UPS. Oh, that hurts. It popped. So this was an entry. But then volume up thrust. Yeah, that hurts. Um, Only if I neglected the fact that there was a manipulation of T2 and took it after test like this. Maybe it just shouldn't hurt. You know what I mean? Or take it from hourly. That was a test. That was an entry. Yeah. What can you do? What can you do now? It needs to find its levels. This thing popped. I don't even know how to look well. I think that's a level. Some counter trend should be. No, I should not have it at all. Yeah, so UPS is my pain. Is absolutely my pain. One bar reversal after this volume and this accumulation. There was an enter here on hourly. All right. I'm gonna go. You guys trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. We would have broken even on this one. The biggest progress is that you see I start utilizing a split screen. This trade and UPS back there. 911.